Hey, welcome back to Tony's Autoworks and Off-Road. Today we're working on this JT. It's a 2023. We're going to be installing some KC lights on the A-pillars. It's the Pro 6s with the it's LED. I think these things are going to look great on here. I got them sponsored by Rebel Off-Road and car sponsors. I'd like to thank them for helping me get this done, and so I'm going to show you everything that you need to get these lights installed. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to be doing is installing the mounting brackets for the lights. You're going to need a drill, or you can use a ratchet if you would prefer. A T45, a T40 bit, and a 4mm Allen wrench. All right, with your hood open, you're going to want to take out the T40 bolts on this plastic panel piece here. There's two of them up here. This will allow for this plastic panel piece to just pop right out. And this is going to allow you to run your lights nice and clean. You'll see that I ran the wires through the hood hinges there. Plenty of room. They're not pinched off. Then they meet right in the middle right there. And that's where the other wire is going to hook up. Now that you have most of your wires ran and have the setup just how you like it, you've got 2 spacers, 2 bolts, and 2 washers in the kit that come with the mounting bracket. You're going to have this hole removed, or this bolt removed. We're going to remove the bolt from the window hinge here. You can mount the lights on these brackets before or after. It's up to you. Going to take that bolt out. You need to have the spacer on the bottom. Run the bolt through the bracket and the spacer. Get it started. And do the same with the window hinge bolt. Grab yourself that 4mm Allen and tighten this piece down. So that it's not going to go anywhere on you. Once you have everything ran, you'll see that you can just, there's plenty of play in this wire. Go ahead and plug it directly into your light. Now, if you got custom covers like we did, you can go ahead and slap these babies on. You got the smiley face that says original, looks pretty cool. And then you can keep the other ones that you got in a box somewhere if you want to switch them out every once in a while. Once you finish up with your wiring harness under the hood, just make sure you tighten down these lights, set them kind of in the position that you like, and you'll need a couple wrenches for that. You can use a 15/16 for the top nut and an 18mm for the bottom nut. That was my install of the KC Pro 6s for the A-pillars on the JT Gladiators. This is a 2023 again, so I hope this video helps someone out. Thank you for watching. Please check out my other videos, press that like and subscribe, and have a good one. Thank you.